Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to write a bio on Bumble. So stick around till the end of the video in order to learn how. Start off by tap and open your Bumble application. Make sure to sign into your Bumble account. And once you are, tap on the human icon at the bottom left corner. From your profile page, tap on your profile picture at the top of your screen and then tap on Edit Profile. Once you end up in this page, scroll down and get to the My Bio area. Go ahead and enter a few sentences about yourself. Make sure to keep it short and sweet. Be specific and unique. You can use humor if you want. Also ask a question, or you can ask a question in your bio. Just make sure that you write down an eye-catching bio for your profile. Simply go ahead and write down a bio for yourself and tap on the Save button once you are done. Now, you have successfully entered a bio for yourself. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.